everybody, yeah!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! That way? Okay. That way?
Katie, Charles, I think you're an outstanding couple. Katie, I think you've been an amazing mother. Charles, you've been an incredibly thoughtful and caring father. I know for the rest of us you make it look so easy, but never forget how special it is. I think you are brilliant. And your mother would have been so proud of what you've achieved.
Well, it could be prudent to have an espresso martini just before.
Sometimes, yes. Yeah. Maybe need a doctor. Very good. Small beers, Fred? Right, let's get even closer together.
I'm truly happy Charles met Katie.
You've done this before, you know that your capacity.
I think you'll agree, Katie does look incredible today. And she is the Toto Wolff to his Lewis. She's caring, compassionate, a great mother to Barney, and most importantly, she's Charles' #1 fan. I'm told that if she isn't at the track in the paddock, she actually watches the races on YouTube. The love these two have for each other will stand them in great stead for everything life has to throw at them. Charles, I'm very proud of you and the family you've created. We've come a long way since our red wine Sundays in our flat in Shepherd's Bush.
They were great.
You're the best friend a man could want. You're already a great father. You will be a great husband in between your passion projects.
I, Charles Piers Leighton Dawson,
I, Charles Piers Leighton Dawson,
take you, Catherine Ann Long,
take you, Catherine Ann Long,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part.
till death us do part.
the writer Zadie Smith wrote, "Time is how you spend your love." So will you join me, if you can, and drink a toast to the really special Katie and Charles. May you have much time to spend your love together. Katie and Charles.
Charles.
Katie Dawson. These words alone do not summarise how incredibly lucky and happy I am to call you my wife. You are so naturally beautiful, extremely intelligent, a natural mother, loving, caring, inquisitive and a rebel at heart. From the day we first met, you've shown nothing but friendship, love and support towards me. and you have helped me reach versions of myself that I didn't think could exist. To this day, I remember so clearly having that conversation on our first date. Sharing our goal in life of wanting to start a family. From there, we fell madly in love. And lo and behold, we are achieving that first dream we shared. We've been blessed with such a beautiful, intuitive, cheeky, slightly wild, and despite the amount of dark hair we share, blonde boy. Having been through so much yourself as a child, I honestly could not be prouder of you as a mother. I love you both so much.